I won't stop till the end, no.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me WHYnotBrix. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Bloons TD6 with your friends. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're always updated. And let's get started. Open the folder of Bloons TD6. And then open the Steam. You should open this while you're playing Bloons TD6 because it's online. Then open the game. As you can see, it's working and the Steam has connected. Update, close. Alright, let's click the start and wait. As you can see, it's really working, you know. You can play with your friends at level 20. Yeah, I'm level 24 and then this is my profile. And then let's collect some achievements. And then you can see that here in the near to the play bottom is a play social. Just click it and you can see the play social, quick match, create match, join map, boss event, view browser, edit challenge, edit dossier. Is up to you. So let's create a match. And this is the difficulty in game mode in here. Yeah, standard, magic, monkey only. So you can see in the below like icon, beginner, one darts, intermediate, 3 dots, advanced, and expert. And here's some maps. So I haven't unlocked all the maps. So let's try the monkey meadow. And this is a code. Copy this and send to your friends. Message. Okay, I'm going to message my friend Real Beans 3. Copy and then paste and then enter. And then just copy this only code. Then let's tag my friend and then let's wait. So shift plus tab, you can see the overlay of Steam. So you can see it's a play space war because it's free, you know. You will get this on my Discord, so you can join. You can see in the comment section. So let's see. I have a hero here, but I haven't unlocked all this hero. Oh, he joined. So, oh, level 51. Nice. So let's get ready to play this Bloons TD6. Alright, co-op. All co-op games share cast and hero XP eventually. Right. Wizard monkey. So he chose ninja monkey. As you can see on top right, there's an icon like 2 monkeys playing. Just click this and then you can see the part of your, you're going to put your defense monkey, a wizard monkey, or anything monkey you want. So just click again, and this is the request. You can request some money for, if you have 0 monkey, and you can request to your friends, but you can abuse. Maybe he can accept the request because he need money too. Oh, so maybe I choose Quincy, my hero, because it's too strong. All hero have abilities. That's what I know. Here go. Just drag this and here we go.
Are you kidding me? Nothing gets past my bow. Awesome! Yeah?
What is this? Oh, nothing happened. Alright, let's try this. Oh, emotes. Nice.
Yes!
Well done. Here. Well done. The more you use your Team Monkey, the more upgrades will unlock for
I
using
am
it.
Quincy,
Oh.
son of Quincy.
Oh, he's a GG. By the way guys, I'm going to cut
What
this
next?
video because this gameplay is too long, you know. It's 80 waves. So I'm going to put as maybe 71 waves.
You want some?
So we are here in 70 wave,
Oh, yeah.
71 wave, 71 rounds.
Get ready.
Oh, I thought the green balloon, like a gray shade green balloon, it's
Headshot.
an enemy. Oh, it's like a necromancer summoning balloons, like zombie balloons. Alright, next upgrade.
BFB incoming. Get ready.
Next round is Camo Regro fortified ceramic balloons. Guys, so I'm going to cut again because the record is corrupted or is maybe half error.
Handle it.
So we win this game guys because it's a beginner map, you know, even it's hard. So thanks for watching bro. See you again to the next video. Have fun.
Talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it. I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know